uh, hi folks, this is dell 7050, and the problem is that you can see the power LED, which is the amber color, it is flashing alternately, and when this happens you cannot boot. I mean the computer cannot boot, and you cannot see a screen at all, and you will never go to Windows or whatsoever. You can see the fan is running here. You can see the fans run here. Most people will report this as a RAM problem, but I have tried all possible trial and error on this one, taking off and putting in one by one on a different slot, but it doesn't work. But now I'll show you the real problem is there. This is actually a very serious problem. It's the board problem. It's related to the pin of the processor that has been bent, or some of the pins has been broken, and those tiny pin is not replaceable, and you have to change the motherboard itself in order to solve this problem. Let's see. I'm going to turn off the power and we will see what's going on. Alright, you can see the fan is stopped. I'm going to open it. As in, this motherboard is already faulty, so I'm going to do the harsh way. Alright, I'm going to remove the heatsink, the fan. I'm gonna take off this pin, this label, leave it up. Yep, like this. And like this one up, and I'm gonna remove the CPU, so the processor. Now this processor is actually in a square or rectangle array. You can see the pad. It's not a pin, you see, it's flat, completely flat. But the pin is here, is on the platform where the CPU is sitting on. Now let's take a look closely, deep down inside. Let's take a look. Right here you will see, you can see those pins. You see that? Some of those pins has been bent, and in fact some of the pins is already broken. See, there are two pins just gone here, and that caused the problem of the flashing LED light, of the power LED light, as you can see here. So this board is cannot be fixed, because this is a very delicate components. So the pin is very tiny, just as tiny as a hair. You can see, some of those even bent on the side here. You can see here, and I'm missing two pins over there. See, let's have a look at it. There are two pins, they have holes there. And that's actually because some of them are here, even some of them are bent also over here. You can see. What really the cause of this? Actually, the cause of this is that when you are not careful in putting on the what do you call it, this that hold the processor, the CPU. When you are not careful with it, when you just simply lock in the pin and everything, that CPU will move and it apply pressure on the CPU, and then because of the CPU is moved, it also bend the delicate pins on here. See, the second issue is that when you put the fan, the heatsink, and when you lock it, tighten the screw here, and when you tighten uneven, let's say you tighten this one first and all the way, and tighten the second hand here, and you do not know the torque of the screw, of the tightening torque of the screw here, that will apply more pressure on the pins, and that cause it to bend, and some of them even broken, and that's the end of this motherboard. You got to press it. That's the only way. There's nothing you can do about it. And yeah, that's all folks, and hopefully this will help why the flashing is power LEDs keep flashing on. Yeah, so I hope this helps.